Hi all. Today we are here to speak on the topic gender issue and concept of the missing woman. The term missing woman indicates a shortfall in the number of women relative to the expected number of women in a region or the country. It is mostly caused by sex selective abortion, female infanticide, and inadequate health care and nutrition for the female children. Gender issues. Gender issue arises out of an identifiable gender gap. Gender issues are caused by the socially determined roles of men and women. Some of the gender issues are domestic violence, higher education quality for men only, male superiority, and politics where males sit on the higher position than the female. Gender inequality refers to the unequal treatment or perception of the individuals based on their gender. It arises from difference in socially constructed gender roles. Gender equality is also known as sex equality, sexual equality, or equality of the genders in the view that everyone should receive equal treatment and not be discriminated based on their gender.
Types of violence against women. Types of violence against women include domestic violence, sexual violence, human trafficking, and forced prostitution. Other violences are honor killing, dowry violence, acid throwing, mistreatment of widows, and stalking. Missing woman. Nobel laureate Dr. Amartya Sen coined the term missing woman to describe the large number of women in the world who are literally not alive due to family neglect and discrimination. According to Sen's calculation, on 1990, more than 100 million women were missing around the world. That includes 44 million women were missing in China and 37 million women were missing in India. And the graph raised from 100 million to 160 million from 1990 to 2010. As per 2011 census, deficit of women were 3.72 crore.
Why does this happen? In patriarchal society, it is considered that males are dominant and females are not valued and they are not allowed to go for work, and they also faces dowry problems. If woman leaves their family, the parents do not support them, and some religious factors are: in Hinduism, it is believed that no son is born, then the father is restricted from the heaven. And in China's one-child family policy discriminates against women.
Discrimination and dehumanization. As girls under 5 years and women face neglect of medical care and education, sexual abuse and physical violence, as adolescents and adult women in the reproductive age group, they face early marriage and early pregnancy, sexual violence, domestic violence, dowry harassment, and infertility. And if they fail to produce a son, they will be face desertion. The end result is a high maternal mortality. Causes of maternal death in our country are hemorrhage, abortion, infection, eclampsia, sepsis, and anemia.
Solutions. Raise your voice. It is always better to speak up rather than struggling in silence. Support one another. We need to overcome this as a community, and hence we have feminism, which lets us work in a pack. Share the workload. Kitchen is not just for the woman, and let's make it clear for those in the back. Cooking is a survival skill and not the duty of a woman. Get involved completely on facing the issues. Stay strong until it becomes your identity. Educate the next generation. Let the coming generation be brought up in such a way that they look at the world as a place for both genders to live equally rather than one being superior to another. Awareness of all rights and not compromising on it. Let's remove the problem from its roots. Conclusion. Gender inequality is still a huge issue today, where males are considered superior to females. Women had to fight to vote. Much has to be done with our society and media and the injustice of gender inequality. Girls and women struggling for equal pay, position, title, and respect, and still fighting certain communities for the rights over their bodies. Let's hope that one day this struggle will be over and the society will stop objectifying women. Thank you.